Got out today for my first look in the woods. It was weird at first. I had to remind myself to slow down a little, but ain't found anything yet. Just walked up on this. Hate finding deadheads. Oh well, something took care of him. Well, I'm at spot number 2. I still haven't found any sheds. I'm getting good at finding dead deer. So I guess poor little thing had trouble with that real bad cold that we had, maybe. And that's where she lied and where she died. So, but hopefully pop a shed up here soon. Getting kind of shocked at 2 of my better spots today, so we will see. Just a few minutes later, got the scene of another dead one. Laying right down here. Looks like another small one. Found 3 balloons today, so I guess 3 balloons must be 3 dead deer, huh? Yeah, another small one. That stinks. Yeah, that's how it goes, I suppose. Nobody's gonna believe this, but just found another balloon. Balloon number 4. And I was joking with myself, boy, probably gonna find another dead deer. I walked, I don't know, maybe 50, 60 yards. Another dead deer. I thought balloons were supposed to bring sheds, guys. Whoa. That's on hook. That's wild. Little shed buck. Probably a couple antlers around here somewhere. But man, that hook is crazy. Look at that. Wow. I don't know if I've ever seen one like that. Sure it didn't help that dude. All that snow's on the ground. Well, we got more looking to do.